Hey guys, this is the Kimbros. I just got my mount back. This is my 8-point mount. I got it for Christmas. Surprisingly, my dad had it in the basement. But here, this is just to prove that mounts are not like bad. There's 1, 2, 3, and this brow tine, it's so small. I don't care. There's the second brow tine. There. This is a nice little box. It had about a 11-inch spread, like it's just about a foot. But guys, this is the best mount I've seen for a long time, and my dad got it for free off of one of his friends. So this is just to show all you big buck hunters out there that mounts are not a bad thing. Like, I mean, look at this. Look at that beard. Then, whenever I actually killed this deer, his tongue from like here down to about here was just hanging out. So that's just a funny fact about deer. So yeah, this is my little buck review. So peace out.